Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about another interesting crypto project. This is 123 Swap Finance, and let me speak about this project. So in this project you can swap, hold, send, receive, earn and invest crypto and NFT, and also you can multiply chains using only this platform, and private sale ends in 2 days. So let me speak about this project, more information. So what you can on 123 Swap. You can of course swap, and also you can use NFT, non-fungible token. You can use yield farming. Also this project has a bridge with cryptocurrencies, and this project has governance. And we can see, for example, 123 Swap with Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Multichain, and 1inch. Also information about this project on BSC, Binance Smart Chain, so Web12, and symbol token is 123. This is security checked token. And this token has cross-chain assets. For example, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Harmony One, Heco, Moonburn, Phantom, OKX Chain, and Avalanche. This chains is already integrated. And we can see information about token of this project. So 7 million per seed finished, for private is 18 million, and 2 million for public. And price you can see, for example, public price is 0.12 USD. And team of this project, of course, you can see on this page. Also we can see information about this project on docs, 123 Swap Finance, for example about executive summary, also problem and market scenario, also about this platform, so why you can use this project, for example, and platform key different ratios, also key rules followed by 123 Swap. Another information about token sale of this project and token distribution, for example. So let me show you this information. And for example, the 5 market analysis, for example, about total value locked, TVL amount, and roadmap of this project you can see on this page. So I hope that you enjoy my video review about 123 Swap Finance. So goodbye, and see you next time in my future videos.